Parole grand moun, pou ti moun yo grandi nan yon lot Haiti.
Good evening. I am your English teacher, Professor Ellie. Today, we're going to learn about the different types of weather we have. We're going to start off with sunny. Sunny. It is sunny today, which means the sun is out and shining bright. Sunny. We also have rainy. Today is rainy. Rainy means that it is raining. It is raining. So it also means that it's wet. Wet outside. So we have sunny and we have rainy. We also have snowy. Snowy. It is snowy outside. When it is snowy, that means that we have snow falling. It is snowing outside. So we have the sun, we have the rain, and we have snow. We also have cloudy. Cloudy. When it's cloudy, that means there's a lot of clouds in the sky. A lot of clouds in the sky. You don't really see the sun. It's not rainy, but it's cloudy. It's almost like it's about to rain. We also have windy days. Windy. Windy means there's a lot of wind blowing around. Windy. Windy. Next, we're going to talk about hot days. When the temperature is very high, it is very hot. It is a hot day. Hot is usually 90 degrees and higher. If it's 90 degrees Fahrenheit, it is hot. We also have cold. Cold days. Cold is usually when it's 50 degrees and lower. 50 degrees and lower. It's a cold day. We also have warm or mild days. These days are really nice. It's not too hot and it's not too cold. It is a warm or mild day. We tend to like these days better than hot or cold days. We also have wet days. These are days when it's rainy. It's wet outside. Everything is wet. Wet. And when it's really hot, we have dry days. These days, the air is very dry. There's no moisture. There's no water in the air. It is very dry. Dry days, you find them usually in the desert. Dry. We're going to talk about the different weather we have around the world. We have thunderstorm. Thunderstorm. When it's a thunderstorm, that means it is raining. It's raining. It's wet. And then there is thunder. Thunder. Usually, if you hear thunder, you see lightning. If you hear thunder, you see lightning. This is what is found in a thunderstorm. Thunderstorm. We also have hurricanes. Hurricanes. Hurricanes are rated by categories. We have category 1 through 5, with 5 being the most destructive and 1 being the least. Hurricane. Hurricane is formed over warm water meeting cool air. Hurricane. Next, we have tornadoes. Tornadoes. Tornado is when the air spins. It spins like a whirlpool. Tornado. We also have earthquakes. Earthquakes. Earthquakes is when the ground shakes. An earthquake. Haiti had an earthquake in 2010. January 12, 2010, Haiti suffered a devastating earthquake. Earthquake. We also have floods. Floods occur when it rains and water accumulates. Haiti tends to have a lot of flooding. The last flood we had was in Saint-Marc and Gonaïves. Floods. That's when the water rises and engulfs everything in its path. Floods. Usually, after earthquakes, we have tsunamis. Tsunamis. Tsunamis happen when the earth moves and the ground shakes, and it causes ocean water to rise into big waves and crashes into shore. Tsunami. Last but not least, we have hail. Hail. Hail is like little rocks of ice that falls. Sometimes they are really, really small, and sometimes you could get them really, really big. Hail. Hail is another part of Mother Nature's weather pattern. Hail. So, let's review. We have sunny days. We have rainy days. We have windy days. And we have snowy days. Some days are hot. Some days are cold. Some days are warm. Some days are wet. And some days are dry. We have thunderstorms. Thunderstorms. In thunderstorms, we find lightning and thunder. We hear thunder. We see lightning. We also have hurricanes. Hurricanes. Tornadoes. To finish off, we have earthquakes. Earthquakes. Floods. Floods. Tsunamis. Tsunamis. And hail. Hail. This was our lesson for today. Thank you for joining me. Remember, I am your English teacher, Professor Ellie. See you next time.